Major developments tonight. Pfizer says its vaccine is safe for children ages 5 to 11.
This is the news that so many parents have been waiting for. The company, Pfizer, planning to ask the FDA for emergency use authorization soon. Here are the results of their trial. On top of being safe, Pfizer says children tolerated the vaccine well and had robust neutralizing antibody response.
It comes at a time when cases in children have been skyrocketing. On August 1st, Georgia averaged just 336 child cases. A month later, we surged to 2,100. Those numbers are starting to fall below 1,000.
We have team coverage tonight, and we start with CBS 46's Crystal Bowie, who talked to local parents. And Crystal, we said this is what a lot of parents have been waiting for. They are going to be able to get their kids vaccinated sooner rather than later, it sounds like.
Rick, a lot of parents have been waiting for this announcement for a long time, especially here in Cobb County. So many parents have decided to homeschool their children out of fear of the virus. And now something like this could mean their kids could be back in the classroom and safely. Vidya Anderson is a mom of two in Cobb County.
We're at a point of waiting and watching.
Anderson is vaccinated, so is her husband and her 13-year-old son. But her 7-year-old daughter, Jaya, has been too young to get the shot, and she's been unprotected from the virus this whole time.
It has been a great concern of us to pass on the virus to my daughter. After moving to Georgia, she had a bout of very severe RSV. We're very grateful that we kept her homeschooled.
Pfizer announced their COVID-19 vaccine shot induced a robust immune response in children between 5 and 11 years old. They plan on asking for that regulatory authorization for that age group. The most recent American Academy of Pediatrics report showed the second highest number of childhood COVID cases for a week since the pandemic began. The spike driven by the Delta variant, which is disproportionately affecting the unvaccinated.
It's a day that I've been waiting for since day one.
So many parents have been weighing the risks of sending their kids back to school. Cobb County schools saw about 5,000 reported cases of COVID-19 in the first 6 weeks of school. The district doesn't have a mask mandate.
Can't wait for her to get vaccinated and for her to be able to go back.
And of course, this has to go through the whole approval process, and we would expect something like this would then prompt a conversation on whether or not the vaccines would later be mandated in schools. Reporting live in Marietta tonight, Crystal Bowie, CBS 46 News.